Right now, you're choosing to shift your mindset, to release anxiety, and to embrace confidence. This is not about forcing anything. It's about allowing your mind to work in harmony with you, to access the vast knowledge you have already stored, and to retrieve it effortlessly when needed. Hypnosis is a natural state, one you experience every single day. It is that moment when you're deeply absorbed in a book, a movie, or a daydream. In this state, your mind is open, it's receptive, and it's ready to embrace new and empowering beliefs. So during this session, we will guide your subconscious towards a place of clarity, focus, and ease. You remain in full control at all times, simply following my voice as you drift into relaxation. Now let's begin this journey into deep focus, calmness, and exam success. Start by taking a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, allow your body to release any tension. Breathe in again, deeply and fully. And as you exhale, feel yourself beginning to let go, to unwind, to settle into a state of deep relaxation. Now, bring your attention to a single point in front of you, just a soft gaze. As you continue to focus, you might notice your eyelids beginning to feel heavier, more relaxed, blinking slower and slower until at some point they simply want to close. And when they do, you allow yourself to drift inward, deeper and deeper, into comfort and into stillness and into ease. With each breath, your body feels lighter, your thoughts are softer, as if you're floating in a warm, gentle sea of tranquility. Now, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will drift further into this peaceful state, allowing your mind to open completely to success, focus, and deep confidence. 10. Feeling calm and at ease. 9. Letting go of any tension in your body. 8. Drifting deeper into relaxation. 7. A growing sense of clarity in your mind. 6. Sinking further, lighter, and more peaceful. 5. Halfway there and completely safe. 4. Your thoughts are quiet. Your body is at ease. 3. So still, so calm. 2. Deeper now. And 1. Completely relaxed and open to positive transformation. I want you to imagine yourself. You're standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. 10 steps lead down to a place of deep focus and effortless memory recall. Each step you take allows you to feel more confident, more prepared, more at ease. Step 10. You're feeling lighter. Your mind is clear. Step 9. Breathing deeply, deeply relaxed. Step 8. Letting go of any exam stress. Step 7. Feeling a quiet sense of focus growing within you. Step 6. Stepping further into calmness and clarity. Step 5. Halfway there and completely relaxed. Step 4. Your mind is open and receptive and ready. Step 3. feeling a deep sense of control over your thoughts. Step 2, almost there. And now you've arrived at step 1, a place of absolute focus, of complete peace and full confidence. As you stand in this peaceful space, you're going to notice how your body feels light, your mind feels free, your emotions are completely balanced. You are exactly where you need to be, ready to absorb empowering suggestions that will guide you towards exam success. Now, I want you to imagine yourself on the day of your exam. I want you to see yourself walking into the room with a quiet, unshakable confidence. You sit down, you take a deep breath, and you instantly feel calm and focused and in control. The paper is in front of you, and you pick up your pen. Something amazing happens. A wave of clarity washes over you. Every answer, every concept you studied comes back to you effortlessly. Your mind is sharp, it's quick, and fully engaged. The words flow easily on the page and your thoughts are structured. Your memory is precise. At any past exam, anxiety has faded away. The words flow easily on the page. Your thoughts are structured. Your memory is precise. Any past exam anxiety has faded away, replaced by quiet certainty. You're prepared. You are capable, and you are ready. You trust yourself. You trust your knowledge. You trust your process. As you continue writing, you feel a deep satisfaction knowing that this moment is yours, knowing that success is already unfolding for you. You are calm, you are clear, and you are in complete control. From this moment forward, whenever you place your hand on your head, your mind will instantly shift into your focus mode. It will be as if it's a switch that's been turned on, allowing you to recall information quickly, clearly, and with ease. The moment your hand touches your head, all distractions fade away, your mind sharpens and your confidence strengthens, and your ability to recall knowledge becomes automatic. This is now a deep and natural response that grows stronger every time you use it. This is your power, your tool for success. Your mind works for you, retrieving the right answers at the right time with ease and precision. Now in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. With each number, you will begin to return to full awareness, bringing with you a lasting sense of focus, confidence, and calm. 1, feeling energy returning to your body. 2, gently awakening, refreshed and at ease. 3, becoming more aware of your surroundings. 4, bring back this powerful sense of clarity and success. And 5, you're now fully awake, feeling fantastic and ready to embrace your exams with confidence and ease. Welcome back. Take a deep breath. Roll your shoulders around and notice how good you feel. That confidence, that focus, it's now a part of you. The more you practice your anchor, the stronger it becomes. Each time you place your hand on your head, your mind will respond instantly, giving you the clarity, recall, and calmness you need to perform at your best. Your success is already unfolding. You're ready, you're capable, and you will achieve exactly what you set out to do. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful life.